Guys, magbablog grade kami. Wait, siya magbablog. Hi ka.
Hi!
Wait. House view tour kami. Let's go.
Okay,
Ay, ikaw magsalita.
let's go!
Ayun.
And look, this is the living room. There's an electric fan, some fishes, electric fan, some toys.
Look,
Some
ilaw.
Thank you. Look, it's so cool. Let's go.
The kitchen.
The kitchen. Look, there's a lot of food.
This din, ito din.
And look. And look. And,
Chocolates.
and some chocolates. And is there some yum yum?
Yum.
Huh?
Oh, chocolate. Wait lang, mamaya. Tour ka muna. The desk, the play area. Dito, the terrace. Pakita mo yung terrace. Pakita natin yung terrace. Let's go!
Let's go. Look at the terrace.
Ayan, terrace. A ride bike, a basketball, a cutie pie. O, ikaw mag-video.
And there's a hammock.
Let's eat chocolate. This Reese's. This Reese's. With Tom. Let's go. Wait lang.
Can we share?
Sige, share tayo.
Oh no.
Ikaw.
The peanut butter.
O, ikaw, hawak.
And look.
Pakita mo.
Let's eat this Reese's peanut butter cups. Whoa.
Wait lang kami.
Let's eat the Reese's peanut butter cups.
Oh, pakita mo akong kumakain.
So
Look, Tom. Kumaka. Look! Inuubos mo naman! Makain kami? Mag-iit ka.
Maganda ano nila. Benta nga ako.
Sabi ko nga kay tatay, kasi isipan niya tatay. Kaya nga tinatanong ko sa kanya. Kaya, wala siya magagawa kahit palihas na kahit kasawa niya ng movie din. Wala pala karapatan niya. Kaya buhay mo din. Pag sinabi kong
Bayan.
Tumingin ko sa camera. Tingin ko sa camera.
pinapagawa ko yung 50.
Let's go na.
Bye guys.
And bye guys. Welcome to Buzz.